Great. Salutations, my friends. Hello, my name is Maria. This is Love Party Pink. And today is going to be totally radical. Because we are following a Bob Ross tutorial. But we are not just going to follow the Bob Ross tutorial. We are going to get completely smashed while painting and following along with the Bob Ross tutorial. I haven't been drunk for like 2 years because honestly I do not like drinking at all. I don't like the taste of alcohol. I don't like being out of control. I don't like being hungover. So I really just pretty much never drink. So this might actually make this 10 times funnier. I'm kind of out of control when I drink. Well, not out of control. Okay, so I am a little annoying when I'm drunk. But, well, and when I'm sober. I don't even know which tutorial I'm going to follow. And I also don't even have a canvas, so we're going to paint it on a record, like I do with all of my other paintings. So, if you want to get drunk with me, paint a Bob Ross tutorial on a record, then stick around, hit like, subscribe to my channel, because I'm awesome, and share this video with all your friends. So let's get painting, let's get drunk, and let's have a party. So, meet me back at my canvas. And meet me back at the canvas. Meet me back at the canvas. Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Welcome back to my canvas. Okay, so, here we are at my canvas. I've got my record, and I've got all of my little painting supplies down here. You guys can't see them, but, so what I'm going to do is, I'm going to drink this, and then I'm going to paint. And it's going to be fun. This is Jose Cuervo margaritas. If I am going to drink, I got to drink margaritas. But I'm too lazy to actually make them. So I bought them, ready to drink classic margarita in a bottle. Hopefully this doesn't taste like butts. Probably drink this over ice. With a little salt on the rim, but I don't even have margarita glasses. I literally don't drink ever. And I'm like scared to drink this. Smells good. Oh, it's really artificial, but oh well, here we go. I thought it. What did you do for the views? Okay, so we're gonna go on here and find. I think maybe I'll just do the first one that pops up. Why the hell not? Ross. Island in the Wilderness. Season 29, we're going to paint the island in the wilderness. We should probably be painting a winter one, but who the hell cares? I mean, it is Christmas time. Look, I look so Christmas. I try to dye the blue out of my hair. This is, season 29, episode 1. Oh my gosh. Alright. So, here goes nothing. I'll do check-ins. I'm probably obviously not going to record the entire thing. So gross. Look at that giant brush. I wonder where he got that. He has this huge brush. Oh, hi, Bob. Dozen colors. Tell you what. Sounds like my dad. Oh no! He's, I'm gonna have to hold my phone because I think I'm already drunk. I saw some yellow. I'm not gonna do the exact colors because it's not that serious. Phthalo green. I'm just gonna do any green. This is a dark green. Oh no, well, this is even darker. We'll go with this. Whatever this color is, I don't even know. I don't even know how old this thing is. It looks pretty old. Yeah, that looks dark. I can't open it. Got it open. Yeah, buddy. Oh, did I hit record? Korean? Ooh, is that like Paris? Probably not. I don't don't know what color Peruvian blue is. I guess I'll just put out all my blues. And then he's at half a dozen. That's 12. So, oh my god, I need to buy some paint. I don't have any paint. I don't know what color Peruvian blue is. Peruvian? Peruvian. 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 Oh, that was a lot. You know, it's really hard to hold the phone and open a bottle of this. Let's take photo. Oh man. You know what's even funnier? I'm day drinking. It's 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and my daughter's gonna be off the bus in a half an hour. And she's gonna be like, Mom, what is wrong with you? And I'm gonna be like, I got drunk in the middle of the day. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna tell her that. That tastes like shit. Dark sienna. Sienna's like reddish brown, right? I probably do have a sienna. Wait, hold on. Hold on, I probably have a sienna. Full of paint. Or not full of paint, but I have some paint. Burnt sienna. Oh, that was close. Oh man. Great. We're off to an awesome start. I just did the same stupid thing twice. Pretty sure I'm probably drunk already. And I just covered my phone in acrylic paint. And that sucks ass. Hope I didn't ruin my phone. Oh my god. I guess I don't really care if the phone has stuff on it. I just don't want the camera to have, like, you know, this little part right here, the little lens. Definitely don't want paint on that part because, well, how can I be vain and take selfies then? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? I'm covered in paint. My phone's covered in paint. My paint's covered in paint. Oh, jeez! I just sent somebody a friend request. I'm 1 minute into the video. And I'm drinking half a bottle of this. I dropped my phone into this, and I don't even know if I'm making any sense. You know, let's just put some red on there, and then we can just mix the brown and the red to make our sienna type of color. Oh, that looks pink. Oh, it's phthalo green. Ooh, I didn't know I had phthalo green. You know what paint has a really funny name? And it cracks me up every time? Hooker's green. I mean, how funny is that? And who decided to name that? Hooker's green. I don't have any more. I have glitter though. I'm totally gonna put glitter on this. I don't like these thick ones. Thickums. Cadmium yellow! Oh, I'm missing all of them. I'm missing all of them. Oh my god, what's with all the yellows? I think I have yellow ochre. Oh, here's that one. This really pretty dark red. I like this color. I don't have a 2-inch brush, but I have a 1-inch brush, and it's full of something, and I don't know what it is. Woo! Warm party in the sky. That sounds like fun. Wait, what color did you grab? You're not telling me where to put this, so I guess we'll just put it here. Oh, he's fading that way up, honey. I gotta make some white in there. It's see-through because it's cheap craft paint. I love water too. So. But you know what I love even more? Margaritas. Hold your horse's body. There's plenty. You're going too fast for mama.
I've always been born
as I can already see it. And why is this brush so streaky? I'm not a fan of this. I might switch to something else. I just, you know, I'm just not a fan of this. Whatever this brush is. I don't like you. I'm gonna just do this one. This is my, whatever it's called, brush. And I don't really like using this one like super wet. Beautiful ingredient is eating. Oh my god, I love it so much. I've got a lot of whatever those streakies are on there, but you know what? I don't care. I'm just gonna go with it. I have to clean my brush off because we're going to the water, he said. You see phthalo blue in the water? Alright. I wonder if Bob Ross was a pervert. So you know what happens when you record when you've been drinking? You miss the entire thing and you don't hit record. So I recorded this entire video and it wasn't actually recording. So I finished Drunk Bob Ross painting. Too bad you guys didn't actually get to see me do it. And I drank 1.5 of these. And this is all I have to show for it. Because I didn't hit the record button. Well, that sucks butts. But at least I got this awesome painting. It's to like and subscribe to a lady who doesn't know how to hit the record. Now I'm sad. Oh well, it'll make for a really short video.